Hello, in this video, we're going to review how you can update your practice information, whether that's a picture, whether that's your address, whether that's your logo. It's really, really easy to do within the Patient Pilot system, and I'll show you how in this short video. First, you're going to go over to your members area and log in. That's at members.thesmartchiropractor.com. Please be sure to save that to your desktop, your tablet, wherever you're going to access this most frequently. Be sure to save that URL. I'm logged into my test account here, so yours will look pretty familiar to this. And if you would like to edit your practice information, all you have to do is go to the right-hand side of the screen, scroll down a little bit under the helpful links section. You're going to see update practice logo, update email photo, and you can see them becoming dark blue as my mouse goes over them, and update practice address. So you can click what's most relevant there, and I'm going to click the top one here for a moment. This is going to bring us to this form. The form will be preloaded with all of your existing information. However, if there's anything that you want to edit, you simply edit it. If you change addresses, you edit that. Change your website, you can edit that. Practice name, of course, you see practice logo right there as well. Front desk phone numbers, emails, and signature photos and names. Now, once you make those edits, most important part, you're going to want to click that submit your info button you can see at the bottom. That's what powers to get it to our team so we can make those changes. You're hands off. We'll do all the heavy lifting for you. And those changes will take place in all of your emails moving forward. So anytime you have edits, all you have to do again is head over to the members area. We'll go back to the home page of the members area right here. Head over to members.smartchiropractor.com, log in, scroll on down. You can choose which one, update photo, practice address, or logo. And from there, you are going to enter in the most up-to-date information. If there's a bit of information that's not on this screen, you can just email us support@thesmartchiropractor.com. But this is most pertinent information right here. Make sure you make the edits and be sure to click submit your info. That's what gets it over to our team. We'll do, again, the heavy lifting, make sure we get everything personalized for you as quickly as possible. If you have any questions, follow up with our team. Other than that, have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.